So today we're going to do a no makeup look. Someone asked this morning in my comments if I had ever done a no makeup look. I feel pretty certain I have. Don't recall when it was, but we're going to do it again. I'm going to begin today with a primer. Actually, I'm going to begin with eyes. Actually, no. I'm going to begin with a primer because with a no makeup look, the picture, for me, the picture kind of has to come all together at one time. So today I'm going to use the Tatcha primer. I have moisturizer on. It's a, I don't know what it is. I think I have Good Molecules, maybe vitamin C serum, maybe. I have an eye cream and the La Mer Renewal Oil. So there's a primer just through the center of my face. Then I'm going to take my foundation. It's almost out. I'm still trying to use up this bottle, and I brought a palette. I could get out what I wanted to get out, and then I could just work from the palette. I wouldn't have to keep going back and digging in this. The color of this La Mer is Sand. Would I repurchase this foundation? Probably so, because it's really, I really enjoyed it. For me to use up a foundation is saying a lot, because I have a lot of foundations. I have a bunch of clean brushes. I'm going to use the Bdellium brush or Bdellium, and I'm just going to work that in. In a no makeup look, I don't want to sacrifice looking good, having smooth, even tone and texture, just so I can say I have no makeup on, or just so it looks like I don't have any makeup on. I still want my skin to be smooth and even. So I'm backing off from the mirror and looking at my skin, and where I see things that little things like veins, just freckles or age spots. I don't have many age, well, I do have an age spot right there, but it's real faint. So this foundation is a good foundation to use if you want to have a no makeup look. I'm going to go ahead and take it on my eyes too. My eyes are, I'm assuming the skin on my lids has gotten thinner over the years. I don't think my veins in my eyes on my lids have always shown like that. I think that's eyelash glue that's finally letting go. I'm going in with very small amounts at a time, making sure the little capillaries around my nose and mouth don't show. I'm trying to make it look like I just have pretty skin on my eyes. Alright, I'm going to go to brows, and with the brows I'm going to not make them look like a makeup-y brow, but just perfect them, perfect what's already there. So I'm going to use my NYX Micro Brow pencil. The color I have is chocolate. I'm going to draw a few extra hairs in the front. Because my eyebrows are too far apart in the front. Got a little hole right there and there. Being very conservative with the number of marks I'm putting on. I'm sure y'all don't have the misconception, but a lot of people have the misconception that a no makeup look doesn't take as long. or as easy. I feel like a no makeup look takes as long or sometimes longer. All right, there we go. There we go, there we go. All right, let's put a eyebrow glue on. Well, it's gone. Here is a Sigma brow gel. It's got it's tinted. So I think it will hold the brows and it'll give me a little bit of dimension. And like I said before, I'm going in conservatively with that. I'm going to use the brush on the end of this NYX brow pencil. And I'm keeping that tinted brow gel in the brow so we don't get too Instagrammy looking. Ooh, this side got dark. All right, there we go. There's still a little not natural, right? Well, hopefully they will look more natural once I have mascara and such on. All right, I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm going to put that under my eyes. On my moving lid. Down the center of my nose. Above my lip, on the sides right here, on the brow bone. Then I'm going to blend that in softly. This is a no-name brand angled soft blend concealer brush. And now I'm just making sure the edge of that highlight is soft. All right, now I'm going to take the Teddy pencil and I'm going to do my tight line. Then I'm going to use the Lancome Cils Booster and the Fenty Full Frontal on my eyelashes and get a nice fluffy eyelash. Maybe just for interest, I may put a brown mascara on the bottom. I have a pretty one by Lancome. It's in the Grandiose formula. All right, now I'm going to do the Full Frontal mascara. And what I'm looking at is it's got comb on one side, or brush on one side and brush on the other. I guess it's to get it on there good and then brush it through. And I like to keep my lashes separated. I don't like them all clumpy together. And they are clumping together. I went in kind of quick with the mascara. I think the Cils Booster needs just a little bit to set up before you go in with the mascara on top of it. All right, I'm going to use the brown mascara on the bottom. This is it. This is it here. It's the Grandiose. We use that on the bottom. Not because I feel like it is more no makeup-y, it's just because I feel like it gives more interest. Now that my lashes have gotten longer from the Rodan and Fields, my mascara dots my lids a lot. So I'll come back and get that when it dries. I'll get it with a Q-tip. I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Ritual. And I'm going to keep mine up kind of high so I don't make my face look too skinny. I'm going to make it look more like suntan. Contour my nose with it. And I'm going to warm up my forehead. I'm just hitting all the places that the sun would hit. My chest is pretty brown, so I want my face to match my chest. And I'm going to put this in the crease. Sweep it straight out. In the crease, well, in my case, I'm putting it on my brow bone because my crease is so deep anyway. See if I can divide those lashes up a little bit. I'm going to take some of the Ritual. I'm running this brush through the darker veins. I'm running it through the darker veins to go under my eyes. Just to make those lashes look fuller. I'm angling this shadow in the direction that my lashes are going, as if the lashes are casting a shadow on the upper lid. So I'm going to take the Becca Backlight primer and I'm going to take this same little brush. It's a fluffy ankle brush. And hit my lids with it so my lids look a little bit sheeny. Across the top of my cheeks, or the top of my cheekbones, down the middle of my nose. So it doesn't add, I think I just removed some of my bronzer there. It doesn't add color, it just adds sheen. Under the brow, right at the arch. I'm using my finger so I can be more intentional with the placement. Highlight at the tear duct. This is still the Becca highlight, Becca Backlight. I'll put the exact name here since I refuse to call it the right thing. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take the Laura Geller Tropic Hues. Then the Plum with my kitty cat paw brush. Putting a little bronzer on the end of my chin. second coat of mascara. Divide those lashes out. Then I'm going to take the Bite Beauty powder in its Changemaker and it's medium 1. I'm going to take my Hakka Hoda brush and I'm going to put this where I don't want it to be too shiny. Let's do a little spritz of Caudalie to make it all meld in together. So there's your no makeup look. And this week I'm going to be doing a giveaway for 5 days, and this is what I'm giving away. And if you're interested, comment and say which size you want. This is my work shirt. It has a open neck. It says Charleston Makeup Artist. And it has my YouTube channel right here. It's a little bit tapered at the waist. There's nothing on the back. It's not cropped. It'll tuck. And if you'd like one of these t-shirts, just put it in the comments that you like the say, I want one of your Charleston Makeup Artist t-shirts, and then tell me what size you want. This is a small. If they had had extra small, I would have gotten it. I think it would be cute, maybe cute with the sleeve rolled up too. So I have small, medium, large, and extra large. So if you want one, let me know what size you want. Leave it in the comments. And I'll have Taco pick who gets the first t-shirt. Thank you for watching today. Thank you for the makeup suggestion. And if anyone has something that they would like to see, please leave it in the comments and I'll get to it soon. Ta-ta!